Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog for free. So guys, if you want to create a blog for free, so very easy. Open Chrome browser, click on this icon. Firstly open Gmail, click on Google Apps, and click on Blogger. Create your blog, so click it. Choose choose a name your blog, not Sharif. Click on next. Choose a URL for your blog. After click on save. If you want to check, so click on View Blog. Thanks. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to create a blog for free. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.